Welcome to week 3 of Code B. So we are now reaching the halfway point of this class this week, and we are moving into React with our Cloud Firestore knowledge. So we will learn how to build a movie rating app using Cloud Firestore. We are also moving into final project territory. So in last week's material, there's the class recording, so check that out. Look for the part where we talk about the final project, because we walk through what is listed under week 5, the final project requirements. And we have, like with CodeSprint A, a series of milestones. Here we've got the write-up and data plan for this week. Next week there's a progress milestone, and week 5 there's the final submission milestone. And these requirements that are listed here are pretty final at this point. They may be tweaked slightly based on how much material we're going to cover, and these will make more sense after you do this week's material. So you may not know what CRUD is yet, but we cover that this week, and then you will understand what that requirement is for the final project. So I talk about it in the final project page, the write-up page, but I encourage you to think about the movie rating app that we're creating in class and remixing that for creating your final project rather than starting with some ambitious idea from scratch. This movie rating app is going to basically meet most of those requirements. So if you start from that as your template for your final project, you will be in a much better place than if you tackle something from scratch. So this week in terms of assignments, you've got a practice assignment where you're going through building out about half of that movie rating application. You have a participation assignment where you give each other feedback on your postmortems, and you have that first final project planning milestone where you're going to be writing out the idea of your application and sketching out the data and posting it to teams. Next week, we will finish up our movie rating React application, and then the final week we'll slow down and have no required videos. We'll have some extra credit videos for advanced concepts, but that final week will be mostly that final project, giving you time to build out your final project. Okay, with that, I will see some of you on Friday for our optional team meeting. Good luck.